love is alive, and so we begin. Foolishly laying the heart on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. And now and then, firelight will catch us stumbling in.
adını